everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're my regular viewers, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So big change today. As you can see, I'm working on real hands. Yay! I finally got real hands. So yeah, I had a visit today, so I thought I would video the nails that I've done on my friend, and she wanted so much on the nails. As you can see, everything that's out, we've used it all. So on the little finger, I'm going in with flamingo feather and white satin. I always keep getting this one mixed up. Yeah, it is white. I'm not sure it's white satin. And I'm just going in and I'm doing a marble with it. I'm going in with quite small beads of acrylic just to have the marble like really close together. So I'm actually using my size 8 brush for this. Onto the ring finger, and I'm going in with petal candy, and I'm just bringing that down in a diagonal angle, and then the space in between I'm going to go in and do a marble there, and then I'm going to use my favourite, which is broken gold, and I'm just going to do that along the line of the marble. That noise, by the way, was my dogs. Now that I've done the marble from the petal candy, I've went back in with petal candy just to cover the rest of the nail, and now I'm going to go in with the broken gold. I didn't worry with, doing the cutout with my little cutting tool on this nail, only because I knew I was going to go in with the broken gold and do it along the line of where the marble meets the petal candy. I absolutely love broken gold. It is one of my all-time favorite things from Glitterbels. Before that, I was using that. I just used to use proper gold leaf, but it's a nightmare to try and break it up and then put it on the nails. But this broken gold, guys, if you're looking for an acrylic that you can really use for any set, just to set it off, broken gold is definitely the one. So onto the middle finger and the pointer finger, and I'm going in to do an ombre with these ones. So I'm just using that little white and clear acrylic mix that I mixed up just to make a slightly softer white. And then to do the ombre on the middle finger, I'm going to go in and use Plush Cover. On the pointer finger, I'm just going in with a loose glitter. It isn't from Glitterbels, it's just from my local beauty store, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Anybody that I use it on, they absolutely, they just can't get over how pretty it is on the nails. So to use it, I'm just dipping my brush into my glass slippers and then straight into the glitter and then placing it on the nail. Back onto the middle finger, and I'm going in with Rainbow Crush just to add just a slight little bit of glitter to this nail. We don't want to do too much, but it's just to give it a little bit of something. So onto the thumb, I'm sorry it's slightly out of focus there, but I'm going in again and doing a marble the same as I did with the little fingers. So I'm using the flamingo feather and the white satin. now that I've got all the acrylic put on, all the coloured acrylic and glitter on the nails, I'm now going to go ahead and I'm going to cap them in glass slippers. As normal though, I'm not going to show all the nails being capped because they're all capped exactly the same way. So now that they've all been capped and they've all cured, I'm going to go in now and do my normal filing routine. So I always start at the side walls, I make sure they're nice and straight, and then I go to the lower arch and I make sure they're nice and straight and coming out in line with the client's natural nail. Then I normally go to the free edge and I make sure that that's nice and straight and the shape that I want it. And once I'm happy with that, I'll go over the rest of the nail, always filing in an upward motion towards the apex. Again though, I'm only going to show one of the nails being filed just to keep the length of the video down for you guys. So now that they've all been filed and shaped, it's top coat time, yay! So I'm going in again with my Glitter Bells non-white top coat, and I just love when you see this glitter come to life, especially this one on the pointer finger. It's amazing. And just before I cure the top coat, I'm going to use that tacky layer and I'm going to set some rhinestones onto the nails, and then they will cure into that top coat. So I'm only putting rhinestones on like every other nail. So the middle finger, it's a cuff around the cuticle area, and then on the two marbled nails, the little finger and the thumb, I'm just going in with 3 rhinestones of different sizes. And here's the finished set, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, you know what to do, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you could go ahead and do that now. And I will see you all in the next video. So take care, see you soon, bye.